హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, టుడే మన టాపిక్ వచ్చేసి హూ ఈజ్ ద ఫాదర్ ఆఫ్ హిస్టరీ. చరిత్ర యొక్క పితామహుడు ఎవరు? ఆయన ఎక్కడ పుట్టారు, ఎప్పుడు పుట్టారు? వన్స్ అగైన్, హూ ఈజ్ ద ఫాదర్ ఆఫ్ హిస్టరీ? వెన్ హీ వాజ్ బార్న్, వేర్ హీ వాజ్ బార్న్. ఫాదర్ ఆఫ్ హిస్టరీ was Herodotus. Herodotus is the founder of history and father of history. He was born in Greek, Athens. He was born during ancient times. He was one of the great philosopher and scientist and founder of history. He was born in Greek during 484 BC. He founded history. Finally, he was a father of history during the time of ancient times.